The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show of knives being drawn in the middle of a dispute or confrontation that involves two persons. Alright? And judging by some of the things that has been said on social media and judging by the accent of one of the persons in the video, it would seem as if one of the person is a Jamaican, alright? And you know, other things have been said about the other person as well, you know. Now, this said to have happened on a subway train somewhere within the United States of America, and there was a lot of passengers on the train, you know what I mean? Because it's a public passenger train. And I do not have any information as to when this had happened, but however, this video is out on social media, and some of the comments on social media is saying that the person that is considered to be a Jamaican, right? They're saying that that person was only defending himself. That's what I'm saying to you. And other things have been said as well. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can tell me what you think. Is it that the Jamaican person was only defending himself or what? You know, or what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and before we present this video to you, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
You're going to defend my blood clot.
Hey, there's a kid right there!
Why you want to fight the man? You make your case
Everybody rushing on this. Excuse me. I want that seat.
What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Put that one away. I'm gonna open you up with this fucking train. Keep opening it. Keep opening it. Keep opening the train again.
Word, just close the door now. They separated.
She won! Real fast! We're not scared to get caught!
What's going on? Yo, she come back to the train. I'm gonna kick her her face, bro.
I'm not.
Oh,
I
God.
don't know her or him, so I'm minding my business.
Oh, now we gotta get off. Now just take them two off.
Take them two off.
Yo, just take them two off.
You can't let the man alone.